Do you celebrate the Yom Tovim also?
Gets us into a whole area. Essentially, we observed the Yom Tovim by my having to be well-dressed and quiet when I went out of the house so as not to offend the neighbors. And Pesach at relatives' homes, but beyond that, not much. Dr. Zhitlovsky, one of the prime philosophers of secular Jewishness, incorrectly grouped Jewish holidays as those relating to agriculture, which of course are insignificant in our modern times, purely religious, like Shani and Kippur, which we secularists have no interest in, and historic holidays. So Purim, Pesach, Hanukkah were our holidays. Of course, in all the work I've done on Jewish holidays, and if I ever write the book, will be on a 21st century approach to Jewish holidays, the subject of the adult education seminar I'm conducting this year at the Sholem Community. I found that all Jewish holidays follow the same evolutionary process, all having started as pre-agricultural celebrations, then with an overlay of historical connections, with a further overlay of folk customs, especially foods. And the tip of that pyramid, I insist, is the secular adaptation of those holidays based on all that's gone before, not throwing out what's gone before, but understanding it. But that understanding was not prevalent in my childhood years.